I'm here with the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar, and unboxing this was a little bit of a letdown. When you open the box, at least my watch was just a little bit slanted in there. Perhaps this was a send back, a return, I don't know, but it didn't look that great to unbox it. So some brands, you have that watch face looking at you, which is just a little bit nicer. So the box is pretty basic, and once you get underneath there, you have everything you need, like the small little book and then the charging cable, which is a little bit of a magnetic one, but it also clicks in there. So it's really, really secure, a lot more secure than some of those that only use a magnetic cable. Okay, so I should be able to connect that with Garmin Connect here. So let's go there, create an account, allow Connect to send notifications, allow access to find nearby devices, so I can find my Garmin here. Okay, so I have the Instinct 2X Solar. This is the one right here. Now let's connect that. Now confirm that the pin matches the phone. Okay, so now that is set up. That's pretty cool. Set up your profile picture, select an avatar, share my profile. No sharing. How fast you burn calories, your body mass index, your initial step goal. I am a male. I'm going to do this in centimeters because I live in the Netherlands. We use centimeters here. I am in kilograms as well. So actually I want to gain some weight. Okay, when do you typically sleep? 10 and wake up at 6, so that's correct. I can edit my goals. Let's keep the default ones for now. Notification access, yes, so I can get some notifications. Location access, yes. Allow, so you can track my calendar and my calls, messages. Syncing, I'm all set, it says. Try these simple actions. Okay, let's do some simple actions. Walk through the buttons on your device. Double tap the light button to turn on the flashlight. Okay, so let's do that. So that is the flashlight. It's not really that bright, but just a little. You can easily turn it off again as well. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So there's my watch face. Okay, all set. Now I'm in Garmin Connect here. Be healthy, track my training, custom. Okay, let's do that. Heart rate, and 3, body battery, sleep score, RV status, events. I can add events here, coach plan, challenges. So there's quite a few things you can do here. And you can of course sync your device, calendar, newsfeed, more. What's here? So we have activities. You can add all of these different activities right to here. Strength training, gym and fitness. I do strength training. You can set the volume and reps for your exercises, so you can track that. So that's also pretty cool. All activities, let's see. Upload them, it seems. Steps, floors, intensity minutes, scorecards, overall stats. That's a lot there. Then we have heart, performance, training and planning, gear, insights, connections, groups, contacts. Garmin Golf, so it's especially good for golf, it seems. Garmin Pay, so you can pay what you do right from your device, which is also pretty cool. Settings, you can do a theme, light or dark, so this is dark mode. Phone permissions, your workouts right on the device. Challenges, December weekend, so they have all of these active challenges right here. And then the home page, okay. Garmin Pay, solar charge, connect IQ and safety. So let's see what that is. So that's pretty cool. And this is the solar, it's connected. Solar intensity, Garmin Pay, text responses, activity and apps, and appearance. So the watch face, glances, controls, morning report. So it's the watch faces is just a little bit hidden there. So you get this like this standard watch face right here. Oh, and then you need to go to the Connect IQ store to get different watch faces. So you need another app to download like different watch faces, it seems. Oh, you can set the controls, power, battery saver, find my phone, my wallet. Oh, you can see some morning report and edit that as well. Oh, so training readiness, sleep. So you can see all those things when you wake up. So there's a lot going on here from within this app, and I really like the watch here. It's just a cool rubber band here, but it's pretty sturdy and also flexible, so it doesn't really irritate my wrist or anything. You can set that to very large or very small. I have pretty small wrists here, but it still looks very cool. It's a large watch for me, but that's still very, very cool. So I really like it. I think it's a really cool watch, really cool smart watch here with a lot of functions. Okay, so activated some different menus here, so it doesn't seem to be touchscreen or anything. Hold to change watch face. I'll hold the menu to change the watch face. Okay, let's do that. Watch face or history, settings. This is back, watch face. So I do have a few different ones, and they're pretty basic, but they do have some cool different styles here. Just a normal watch. Okay, so it is a very cool watch. I really recommend.